Hello, fellow traders. So, an update for natural gas, UNG. As pointed out in my last video, you know, we are heading higher, but we have to see if we close today above 1565. If we do not close above this, then it's gonna go down a bit. Um, the number for daily we touched yesterday. So technically this should go down, but we'll see today. And if the way you approach this is though is you have to go monthly, I mean quarterly, yearly, quarterly, monthly, weekly. So on the we have to look at the yearly too, right? And if we close below here, what's see, this is low, it's 18. So if you close below this low, then this is gonna keep going down low. But there's a chance we're gonna go higher than this low. So that point in mind, you can see is we might have to hit this before this moving up because it's the year end. So you have to watch this number. You also have to watch the quarterly too, right? On the quarterly again. We hit the lowest in the quarter. So, but in order for us to see this a move, you have to close above 1258, which likely we will. And then you have to look at the month again. I saw on the monthly we probably going up. So if you're in to make money on this, you just buy here and just wait until the next reversal, which is quite high. It's like almost 30. But then you have to look at the weekly, which we talked about it, and then the daily. Daily is very hard to trade. Weekly is the most you can make money. See, touch this reversal. On the fourth, when I made the video, I think I made the video on the fourth and the fifth, and then it was a nice move all the way here. Hopefully this helps. I will post in my Substack all other information for a private subscriber. Good luck.